In this video, I am going to show you how to set up stop loss on KuCoin spot trading. On the KuCoin futures trading interface, you have the option to place a stop order to automate your trading strategy. And here's how you can do it. 1. Log into your KuCoin account and navigate to the futures trading section. Locate the place order section on the trading interface, and then select Stop as the order type. Choose the trigger type of your order. KuCoin Futures supports 3 steps: mark price, last price, and index price. Enter the desired stop price in the designated field, for example, 11,000 as the stop price, and choose your preferred trigger type. In this example, select mark price. Input the price at which you want the order to be executed in the price, like USDT, column, for instance, enter 10,990. Enter the quantity or lot size in the contract you wish to trade. For example, input 1 in the quantity column. Review the details of your stop order to ensure accuracy, and once satisfied, proceed to place the order. For example, you can set the stop price at 11,000, the trigger type is mark price, the price USDT is 10,990, and the quantity is 1 lot. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.